Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. Four teaspoons of fenugreek seeds, 1 cup of hot water, Now mix all the ingredients very well. Oh, it's time to apply this recipe on your hair and scalp. Then massage your scalp gently. I'll leave it on your head for 30 minutes. Oh, for best results, use this recipe 3 times a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends or family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.